How to hide likes on Facebook profile pictures. So, the very first step is to open your Facebook and then go to your profile found on the lower right corner of the screen. Once you're right here, click on your profile and then click on your profile picture. Click on See Profile Picture and then click on the three dots found on the upper right corner of the screen. Once you have done that, click on Edit Privacy and make sure to choose the option Only Me. Click on Done found on the upper right corner, and then your likes should be hidden on Facebook. However, if you want to still gain likes or reactions, but you want to hide the count or the number of likes or reaction, then you may go to your profile once again right here. Go to Settings, search for Reaction Preferences, click on Reaction Preferences, and make sure to turn on your posts right here. So what this basically do is that you may still gain likes and reactions. However, the people won't be able to see how many likes or reactions you've got. So that's it. That's how you can hide likes on Facebook profile picture.
So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.